Welcome, class. Welcome, class. Welcome, class. Welcome.
Thank you.
Very nice. How are you doing today?
Good, how are you?
I'll sit. I would have picked you as a friend.
Please sit with the card that was on the card, okay?
Thank you. I was going to try to sit.
Hi, there's my sunglasses.
Thank you.
How's it going? That is the 8th rest.
That's supposed to be an 8th rest.
You
Okay.
got focused on that.
Oh, there we go.
Thank you.
Welcome, Amber. Welcome, class. What? Welcome, welcome.
They're just getting this stuff.
They all left me.
Back.
So today we're going to create some musical pieces using the forms we've been working on the last 2 days. And we're going to use these flashcards to help you guys create them. Does anyone know what 4/4 time signature means?
What?
Sean?
Isn't it where there's 4 beats in a measure and it says a quarter note gets the beat?
That's right, a quarter note gets the beat. Which means this is what a quarter note looks like. Okay? And that equals 1 beat. Okay, class?
Okay.
This is a quarter rest. And it also equals 1 beat, okay? This is an 8th rest. This equals half a beat, okay? 8th note, which is similar to a quarter note, but it has the tail on it. See? And that equals half a beat. Half note equals 2 beats. Okay? And as Sean just said, how many beats per measure in a 4/4 bar?
I think it was 4.
There's 4 beats. So every measure you guys create should equal 4, okay? So you add up all of these different things, and it should equal 4.
So put them together to make 4?
I think so. But use together.
So with our papers that we have, so I'm going to write a couple examples on the board. Okay, so if we all count, how much does a quarter note get? 1. 8th note? Half of 1. Another 8th note? Quarter rest? 1. So if you add all that up, what does it equal? 4. Okay, so that's a good one. We'll do one more. Okay, so quarter note gets
1.
quarter note gets what?
1.
Quarter rest? What's that equal? 3.5. So we're missing something, right? What do we need? We need half beat. So we need either another 8th note, another 8th rest, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So we'll just add an 8th rest right there, and that becomes good. So what you do in your groups now is take your musical flashcards. Okay. I want you to create 4 different measures. Okay. And I want you to write them on A, B, C, and D on your worksheet. Okay.
Let's create measures.
Deal with flashcards. These are
Okay, so then make sure you write it down on measure bay. And make sure, class, make sure that you guys all have the same A, B, and C, Ds in your group, okay?
Oh, right, because we're working on it together.
Yes, you guys are working on it together, okay?
Yeah.
So the open note, the open note.
Okay.
Okay, so why don't we start it like that? So I'm gonna write it out like he had his, it's like a wide looking thing. You're probably right.
That is 4.
Okay, so I'm gonna do, let's do
That's
that
fine,
one.
that's just fine.
Oh, she's got, hang on, no, we have to all do the same. So I'll take all of hers.
Maybe we should each do
So,
Okay, so what's yours?
if we do another one,
I just kind of draw them like that.
And then we have,
and then the two first.
That's what I do.
Okay.
Then you do,
Yeah, that works, that's good.
Thank you.
how's that look? Adds up, right?
Yep, as before, you tell me.
It does. So a half and a 2 and a 1. Yep. Okay.
Yeah, seriously. These just like that. So that's two. Yeah. All right, next one.
okay.
Oh, look at this thing.
Got some Beethovens over here, a little Mozart.
I'm actually working towards being a, oh man, I forget his name. Never mind.
No, it's okay, you'll get there.
What? Read his name. It's really good.
Oh, yeah, no.
Oh.
That's an interesting.
You have one key?
Where do you want to show them?
Yeah, there we go.
No.
What is that?
That's all it is.
Oh, that's it.
Oh, that's only three. That's three. And then.
That means
Oh, there it
we
is.
gotta exchange this with
And then another quarter. Okay.
I saw one.
Well, in band, when you use the whole band.
one, two.
Don't be afraid to use the ones you've already used. The rest's in the.
So here's the, what they have.
Oh, Mr.
He already did that.
Mr.
Yes,
Are we supposed to only use the cards once, or can we?
you can reuse the cards as much as you
Okay,
want.
perfect.
Yeah.
Yep. That's five. Hey.
2, 3, 4. Or we could put
All right, one more. Let's use the one that we haven't used yet. This one, it's a half rest.
I name it.
So we can do like a one with a tail and a half rest to make it one. Yeah, so we can do that. That makes one. Two. Mhm.
I like that. I like that a lot.
Wait, is this one? 4. Okay, that's one.
There. It's 4.
When groups are done, can I get somebody, a representative from each group to write their measure on the board? Just one of the measures?
Yeah, you get to.
No.
That's long.
Which one do we want to write? Oh, plus choir.
Okay, I did this for my
I'm like
whole,
looking at
my whole life.
What should I do first?
One measure. Sorry.
You got 9.5 right now.
shoving as many notes in as possible.
Okay, class, as people are finishing drawing up their measures, let's go over some of these, okay? So a half note gets how many beats? 2. So 1/2, 1/2, 1. Ooh, equal 4. Looks good to me. Say we've got 1/2, 1/2, 2,
That's how you know.
1/2, 1/2, 3, and that's 4 right there. All right? This one we got 1/2, we got 1, 1, 1/2, and another 1, 3, 4. Woo! You guys are already masters at this. 1, 2, and 2. Ooh, oh, I don't want to write this one out. It's all half notes, okay? Okay. So now, we've been going over musical forms, and we've been going over the ternary form, right?
Yeah.
What I want you to do, class, we're going to take each, you see how each measure has measure A, measure B, measure C, measure D, right? It's right there. So if we plug each of these as individual ideas into this structure right here, you guys can compose your first piece. Okay, so as a group, you want to put your A measure, then your B, then C, then D, then go back to C, B, and A, okay?
Wait, which side do we do it on? The group side?
The group side.
Well, I already did it back.
We're gonna write
Or wait,
measure A or.
did he say that we're doing it for the?
ABC, BC, BA. It's like you go A to C and then backwards.
Okay, perfect. Sorry, class. Got your ones? Okay.
3.5.
Sorry, class. I said ternary, but I meant to say rondo form. And rondo form is A, B, A, C, A, okay? Or
Are we gonna do that one in the back where it says rondo form?
yeah, do it right there. Yep. How you guys doing?
Doing all right.
Okay. Oh, you gotta get the measures. You gotta get the measures copied down if you want to do this.
I had it
Right?
on the wrong side.
Oh, dude, yeah.
Yeah. Where it says A, you write measure A, and it says B, you write measure B.
It's like a roadmap, kind of. You just plug it in.
We just have a real rondo instead because we know something.
Your voice has to go.
I've been practicing.
Oh, you put a repeat in there. Uh-oh. A little fancy, you got a little Beethoven over here. Yes. And, thing you can do is every measure, so that's 4. If you put a line right there, it helps organize it. See? Just like that.
120.
You guys all done?
I think so, yep.
Okay.
Oh, I messed up.
Guys getting there?
Yeah, but I messed up.
Oh, maybe you guys see it.
Sorry, don't hit me.
Or the last one.
Corporal punishment is
That's so annoying.
You guys all done?
Yep.
We made a terrible song.
Or a copy of your punishment. Oh, make sure you guys write your name right now. Can you get back to you? Okay, class, I'm going to grab some papers. We're going to shuffle them around to different groups. And I want you to grade your fellow peers and see how their rondo forms work, okay? You got to check, does every measure add up to 4? And is it A, B, A, C, A?
Oh, dang.
Yeah. You got one from you guys, group?
No, wait. You didn't put your lines on yours. Okay. Separate.
One down this group? Oh, look at yours. Wow.
What's his time, Jared?
10 seconds.
We'll have to see.
4,
So now?
5,